Okay, so we are back up West Heath Road, I think. That's going to be repainted. I think we're going to investigate the roof, because I think that's leaking, and that's going to be replaced. That's just a budget job. I'm going to do that up. So everything in here, as you can see, it's leaking. It's not very good. We're replacing all the doors throughout, although that is staying, because that's absolutely fine. I think that's leaking. Okay, so in here, we're going to keep this current layout. Actually, there's two quotes. So one quote is to keep the current layout, make everything safe and presentable, move the fuse box up there, and then leave it as it is. The alternative is to move the fuse box up there, knock this through, and then wall this up so that this becomes a bigger cloakroom, or we just have this as a cloakroom. We need to do a check to see if it needs to rewire or not. I'm going to box those pipes up, move those pipes into the wall, replace all this flooring, replace all the skirting as well, repaint everything. We're going to keep that as this actually looks okay. Replace this radiator, replace that radiator because it's been repainted over, because it's been painted over and it look awful if we paint it again. Repaint. Okay, so most likely we will be knocking this wall through and turning this to an island area with enough space for a dining table here. We're going to move that radiator over there. In here, we're going to keep the laminate up into here, and then in here we'll change this, we'll retile it. So new kitchen, the layout's pretty much the same. There's going to be an overhang here to turn this into a bar, knock that through. There's going to be a washing machine, dishwasher space here, sink stays there, that's going to be boxed through. The hob is going to be moved here, electric, with an oven underneath. Then we'll have the counter up to here as well, with another cupboard thing up there. We're going to have a look to see what's behind there, and if it's nothing important, then we can try and remove that, and then move this fridge freezer over there, because this door is going, and then that we can put shelves in there. Actually, there's shelves in there already. Just repaint that. Going to check to see if that valve there is safe and secure. If it is, we'll put it back, secure it down. Then I'll ask Ken to then come around once everything's done to replace any fence that needs replacing, and give this place a good tidy up. I think that's it. So this porch basically needs redoing. The ceiling needs redoing. That's not very good. Okay, so we're going to replaster this all the way up here and repaint it, because it's kind of crack and that's not going to last very long. Recarpet throughout. That's radiator staying. That radiator staying. Lift up the carpet, repaint throughout as well. And let's cover those up, cover that up. I'm going to cover these, not cover these up, fill these up, and replace all the doors throughout, replace that radiator, remove the carpet, annoyingly, remove that wallpaper, and then repaint throughout. There's zero signs of a leak there. That wardrobe's staying for now. Up there, there's at least 2 broken tiles and no insulation. So when you send the builder up there, they will then fix all the tiles apparently. There's a few tiles missing there, a few up there, one over there. It's actually quite signs of leak around here. So essentially the roof needs to be watertight, so it needs to be fixed and watertight. Then all the rubbish up there needs to be removed, and we need to put insulation up there. That needs to be moved over there. So there's illumination here, especially up the stairs, and also people aren't hitting the head in here. This just needs to be boarded up, made presentable, made safe. We'll keep it there as it is. Now we need to investigate why this is. I think that's outside, so they need to have a look outside to see what the water's coming in. Replacing the blind trail thing. And putting curtain poles there. Light switches, probably all light switches and sockets are going to be turned into switched to brushed chrome. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to replace this door frame to a standard length one. In here, we're going to tile all the way along here, all the way up there. New shower, new bathtub, shower screen. We're going to keep the sink, because that's just fine. Remove this, keep that if it works. Replace this, remove that, replace the bathtub. Check all handles, window handles, replace them if they're broken, make sure they all work, and then repaint throughout. We're going to remove all the tiles and then put lino down here. And I think that's it. So basically, we need to see if it needs a full rewire. If it is, that's going to be expensive, but it is significant enough to account for. So to make a decision on, and then we need to look at the roof and sort the roof out as well. But I think that's it. All right, see you.